To draw a boat, we'll begin drawing straight line. So after you put a straight line, we'll curve the edges and we'll draw a line, and we'll draw another parallel line. Now we'll add waves. Next we'll draw a pole. Then we'll add a small flag. Then from this point, mark a point and mark a point here. Connect them with a curved line. Then mark a point below. Similarly, join this. Then connect these two lines. Draw a line connecting this and both and this to the pole. Then add another line, and this time this gets connected to this. Draw parallel lines. And we'll draw another line here. With this done, we'll start coloring the book. So we'll color alternate red and blue color to the then we'll color it blue, sky blue to be exact. Next we'll color the pole using brown. And the flag using saffron. Finally the boat using brown. And with this one we'll color the water. And that's how